Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get the mouse pointer back on your laptop screen in case the touch screen stopped working on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2. So use your touch screen to open the start menu, then go to settings from here. After that you have to go to Bluetooth and devices on the sidebar. Scroll down to Touchpad and check whether it's disabled. If it's switched off in this menu, simply switch it on and you'll be able to start using it again. If it didn't work for you, then press Windows button to open the start menu once again and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, you have to open it. Then expand Human Interface Devices list right here and find Surface Touchpad Processor. Then you have to double tap this option, select Driver tab at the top and then click Disable Device. Click Yes, and right now your touchpad should stop working. So now to re-enable it, just click Enable right here and check your touchpad once again. And if it's still not working, just click Uninstall Device, confirm. Okay, and right now restart your computer. Go to Start menu, Power Options and Restart. After the device is restarted, your touchpad should start working again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.